Hello everyone, my name is Rajibul and welcome to Rajibul IT. My computer আৰু technology Assamese language শিকাম বুলি ভাবিছো. If you want to run computer in Assamese language, so this is the right place. So let's start it. First of all, let me introduce myself. I am Rajibul and I am a computer teacher. I have experience of 2 years in computer science or technology. মই দেখিছো যে many Assamese people want to run computer but অসমীয়া ল্যাঙ্গুৱেজত বা ৰিসোৰ্সেস নাই। ইউটিউবত বহুত ভিডিও আছে like Hindi, English but Assamese ল্যাঙ্গুৱেজত কম আছে। So that's why I started Rajibul IT. My mission is simple to provide computer education to every Assamese person free and easily. What will you run on Rajibul IT? Computer basics. So first of all, what is computer? How does it work computers and computers softwares and hardwares সকলো বস্তু ক্লিয়াৰ ভাবে শিকোৱা হ'ব MS Office so like Microsoft Wordত কেনেকে ডকুমেন্ট ক্ৰিয়েচন কৰিব লাগে Excelত কেনেকে ক্যালকুলেশন কৰিব লাগে তাৰ পিছত PowerPointত কেনেকে প্ৰেজেন্টেশন বনাব লাগে ওয়েব ডেভেলপমেন্ট ওয়েবসাইটে নিজে নিজে কেনেকে ক্ৰিয়েট কৰিব লাগে তাৰ কাৰণে HTML CSS JavaScript and তাৰ পিছত MySQL আৰু PHP এই সকলোবোৰ বস্তু বা সকলোবোৰ programming language শিকোৱা হ'ব now you ask me ইউটিউবত বহুত চেনেল আছে why Rajibul IT so reason on complete Assamese language শিকোৱা হ'ব বুজিবলৈ সহজ so reason 2 step by step teaching একো skip নহয় everything clearly explained and reason 3 completely free no charge no fees totally free so that's why Rajibul IT is special. Who should watch Rajibul IT? If you are a student of computer science, then this is the perfect channel for you. If you are a job seeker, then this channel is most important for you because this channel is teaching you like computer skill and IT skill and many other information of computer science. So if you are a office worker, যদি কোনোবাৰ মানে অফিচৰ কামৰ বাবে ইনভলভ কৰিব লাগে so this is for perfect channel teachers housewife and businessman যদি কম্পিউটাৰে শিকিব বিচাৰে all are welcome to my YouTube channel Rajibul IT computer science is most important for everyone age does not matter সকলো এটো বস্তু শিকিব পাৰে in every week I upload 2 to 3 videos in my channel so please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so keep learning keep Rajibul IT See you again in the next video. Thank you. ধন্যবাদ